20 useful English phrases for traveling. 1. Excuse me, could you help me, please? 2. Do you speak English? 3. Where is the nearest train station? 4. How much does this cost? 5. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? 6. Where can I find a restroom? 7. Could you please give me directions to the museum? 8. I would like to book a hotel room. 9. Is there free Wi-Fi available here? 10. What time does the shop open? 11. Could you take a picture of me, please? 12. I need a taxi to the airport. 13. What is the best way to get to downtown? 14. Can I have the menu, please? 15. Is there a pharmacy nearby? 16. Could you help me with this translation? 17. Is it safe to walk around here at night? 18. Do you accept credit cards? 19. What is the local currency and exchange rate? 20. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!